Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sadia Said and I welcome you to Double A International Publishers. In this video, we're going to learn about the concept of short vowel sound I from English 4+. Let's get started. Assalamu alaikum pyare bachcho. I hope everyone is fine and I'm fine too. Alhamdulillah. Ji, so here we are with a new video. E के बाद कौन सा वावल आता है? I. Yes. और यहाँ पे हम सीखेंगे short vowel I की sound which is E से start होने वाले 2 letter words और फिर उनसे 3 letter words. तो चलते हैं बुक के पेज के ऊपर.
Short vowel I, E. Learn vowel sounds in these 3 letter words. Sound out letters separately and then blend them to read the complete words. तो सबसे पहले हम 2 letter words की reading करेंगे और फिर हम 3 letters पे जाएंगे. The first 2 letter word is eat, it. और it से पहले अगर हम लगाएंगे तो it hit बन जाएगा. इसी तरह it sit और it fit. Then you have ip, ip dip, ip lip and ip zip. Good. Egg, egg fig, egg dig, egg wig. और लास्ट है in, in bin, in pin and in win. Woohoo!
जी प्यारे बच्चों, I hope you've learnt a lot about words that start यानी 2 letter words that start with short vowel sound I and the sound is E and then उनसे हमने 3 letter words बनाए थे. Yes, इनकी practice करना and we're going to meet next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.